My name is Jonathan Casilli. I'm the Director of Construction for Skylight Real Estate Partners, and I handle all apartment renovations and CapEx projects throughout the portfolios, which are located in New York, New Jersey, and Florida. So 5 years ago was when we first started looking at the roofs as a general project. One of our roofers mentioned, hey, you should look into Roof Maxx because it's a product that is not invasive to tenants. It's a very quick application and it actually extends the life of the roof and gives you a warranty. So it checked a lot of boxes, at least initially, and then I started researching it and then went from there. I believed in all the research, but I wanted to see it firsthand in an environment like New Jersey where it's brutal winters and tough summers with the sun. So we decided to try it out on 10 buildings. The process was very quick, very professional in their installation. After completing the first 10 trial buildings with the Roof Maxx product, we received several windy storms, and we noticed that the other buildings we had severe issues with shingles being blown off those roofs, as compared to the 10 that had received the Roof Maxx application. And at that point, it made even more sense to use the Roof Maxx product on the next 10 buildings. And same process, same results. I was skeptical at first with the existing condition of the roofs. We were having high winds and shingles were blowing off the roofs continually. But years later, after the application, the roofs look great and we have no issues with any shingles blowing off the roof. Before Roof Maxx, the roofs looked very brittle and crunchy and faded and it didn't look very appealing and made the property kind of look a little in disrepair. And after the Roof Maxx product was applied, it actually refreshed the product, brightened it, made it look new, more cohesive. Roof rejuvenation is a new idea in property management and building ownership. However, I do feel like it should be a standard because it aligns the ideology of what property management, their intent is to do is to preserve the property and maintain it at a high level for a long period of time at a very fair price. And so roof rejuvenation achieves everything that you would want when you're looking at maintaining your roofs.